Hey, what's going on, guys? I haven't given you guys a video in a while, so I just got my truck aligned, and I thought I'd do a quick video on how to fix an oops. So the alignment shop that I go to, really good guys, they always take care of me, but they were pretty busy that day, and he got the truck aligned. It wasn't off that far because it just bounces around in a field, but I don't want to wear out these tires. So anyway, the alignment shop that I go to was pretty busy, and he got it all aligned and everything, and he took it for a test drive, and he went to pull it back on the rack, and I said, hey, what's the matter with it? He said, well, the steering wheel's not, it's off to the right just a little bit, I'm just going to adjust it. I said, man, I know you guys are in a hurry, and I want to shoot a YouTube video on it anyway, so just leave it, and I'll fix it myself. He said, are you sure? I said, yeah, I'll take care of it. So I brought it home, and I'm going to show you guys real quick. It doesn't take nothing on these trucks to adjust the steering wheel. So let's crawl under here and I'll show you what you got to adjust. So I've actually already done it, but this bar right here up top, which in a previous video I was telling you guys about how your drag link and your steering link should be pretty much parallel in order to get rid of bump steer, or to minimize it the most you can. You can't ever completely get rid of it, but anyway, I'm getting off subject. This little adjuster right here, you loosen these two nuts and then have a helper in the car or in the truck, and you're going to turn it, and that's going to either lengthen or shorten this rod, which will move your steering wheel, because see, this is attached to the steering gearbox. That's going to move your steering wheel without moving the wheels. Okay, so what I like to do to make this easier is get a string. Close the door to the truck here. So I use regular marking string, like you can get at Lowe's or Harbor Freight or whatever, and I'll tie marking string around a block of tread, and then I stretch it all the way to the front of the truck. So all the way across here, all the way up here, okay? And then I'm holding that string and I'm looking down it, and what you want is you want to be able to look down the truck, down the tires, and you want the string to touch the front and the back of the rear tire and the front tire at the same time. That's another way you can align. You can do a quick and dirty alignment before you take it to the alignment shop. But you know your wheels are straight if the string is touching front and back of the edge of the tire, like this, and it's touching the front and back of the front tire all at the same time. So you're gonna sit there and do this and watch. Sometimes I'll flick the string to get it bouncing, then I'll move it and see when it stops moving in each section. It should all stop at the same time. So once you get the wheels straight, then you have a helper up in the truck. Start the truck so that you have power steering assist, and then you're going to adjust this sleeve right here. Easy peasy. And they can also yell at you when the steering wheel looks right. Cool. By the way, this is the first video I've shot on my fancy new GoPro Hero 8 Black super duper califragilistic, whatever, it's a fancy camera. So let me know if the video quality is okay for you guys. It should be. That other camera, the battery just died way too much, so I got one of these for you guys. I'm almost a real YouTuber now, and I'm getting old. So yeah, that's it for this video. I plan on doing some other stuff here pretty quick to the truck before winter, or maybe even during winter. So maybe we'll get some more videos for you guys. I know I appreciate everybody that's been subscribing. I'm this close to being a no shit 1,000 subscriber partnered YouTube guy. I never imagined that half of y'all would watch any of my stuff, but I appreciate it. If you like this video and it helps you out, hey, be that 700 and I don't even know what number I'm on. Be the next subscriber and give me a thumbs up on the video. Comment if you have questions, and I'll try to answer every one of them. Thanks. You guys have a good weekend.